Hello friends, so this is your Python partner here. So from today on, let me be the friend who helps you learn the concepts of Python. So yes, now we can go to write our first program. Now open the Python IDLE, that is Integrated Development and Learning Environment. So in there we are going to write our first program. In the prompt we are going to type print of hello world. So print of is a function. So when the Python interpreter reads print followed by parenthesis, it is going to print to the screen whatever contents that we are given inside this parenthesis. So hello world, it is within this double quotes. So inside the quotes, be it double or single, whatever the contents that we are going to give in, it is always considered to be string. Okay, so now as here print of hello world, the output we get is hello world. Yes, it is printed to the screen. That's all for today, friends. So this is your Python partner. Come on, join me in this journey of learning. Bye bye. Take care.